terms of Tarawih prayer, Tarawih is some of the Imams, Abu Hanifa in particular, is very strong about the sunnah inside the masjid, in the congregation, as a sunnah mu'akkada, that the Muslims should come together and congregate in the masajid and pray. And in the Hanafi countries, it's a very strong sunnah. The Shaykh said that in the Maliki madhab, it's actually preferred to pray in your home, and the man should lead his family in prayer, especially if he memorizes the Quran or parts of the Quran. That it's actually better as long as there's a group fulfilling the sunnah kifaya in the masjid. So if they fulfill the sunnah in the masjid, then it's actually better to pray in homes. And then Umar radiallahu anhu, in the hadith of Muwatta, about not sleeping on it, he said there was some difference of opinion about what he meant by that. Was it the later prayer of the night or not? And so the point is that it's not only perfectly valid to pray the Tarawih in your home, it's actually, that is the preferred opinion of one of the great Imams of our tradition. And so people shouldn't feel like they're missing something out in that. It's actually a very good thing to do. And then as for people who are well, the Shaykh said that it's still an obligation to fast Ramadan